and orange flowers. And he's very fond of fungus. Not everything he collects stays where it should. He puts these treasures on display within and around a construction that has taken him years to build. A giant bower woven around a central sapling, carpeted with moss. This grand design is no nest, it's the ultimate seduction parlour. But he's not alone on this hillside. He's got 6 rivals within earshot. This one prefers darker colours, decorating his bower with deer dung. And charcoal. Visual effect is of crucial importance. Clearly, he hadn't planned on all this sprouting fungus. He and his nearest rival live a stone's throw apart. Competition is intense. It's the dung ball bower that is the first to catch the female's attention. He withdraws while she inspects his workmanship. She's back again and seems impressed. But on closer inspection, she's less convinced.